We just got to DGT night market, so we're gonna go take a look around and see what we find. Get some soup dumplings, it looks like.
Oh, that smells good.
So we got a bulldog ramen omelet and some xiaolong bao, which is like soup dumplings. We're gonna give it a shot. We'll see if this video is monetized from all the music in the background. What do you want to try first?
The xiaolong bao.
Okay.
See, it looks really good. I'll just get the small one.
I want to pull it closer to you so you don't drip the juice. There you go. What do you think?
The sauce is good, but the xiaolong bao has thick,
It's thick.
small filling. The sauce is good.
It tastes good though. It's spicy, which is nice.
This is also spicy.
Okay.
Korean noodles with hot dog. No, it's already rolled up.
Hot dog.
Hot dog and cheese inside.
Oh, wow.
There's the hot dog.
Go for it.
Maybe you should try the noodles first. You're not really a fan of bulldog, right? I like how the egg is cooked. How is the noodles?
It's good.
I tried the cheese before and now the carbonara flavor.
Okay. This is carbonara. It is a little spicy. You don't want the
You
seaweed?
can have it. It's really good with egg.
No. Oh yeah, the hot dog.
I love it. There's the hot dog.
She's good at handling wieners. Huh?
What is it?
Says she's good at handling wieners. Difficult. Egg and hot dog. It's pretty good. I think the egg was $3. I think they're both basically the same price. The xiaolong bao was $1.50 for 5, and then the bulldog. I got some smash burgers on the way. I figured I would try that. They look pretty authentic. Yeah, what do you think?
I like it. The carbonara is good, guys.
Yeah, it's very creamy. And lots of egg, too. It's probably at least 3 or 4 eggs. All right, we're gonna finish enjoying this. Okay, Okay, so we got the smash burgers now. Will you hold this while I try? Let's try just the straight one. Very crispy edges. It's good. Classic.
Passes your taste?
Huh?
It passes your taste?
Yeah. I wish I had a little sauce, but they were putting so much sauce. I was like, just no sauce today. Okay, this one has an egg. Oh yeah. Much better. Super crisp. You want to try it?
Not either.
Super good. Very American. And they made it with onions, like onion burger style.
What's the patty? Beef?
Just beef, yeah. Just beef and onions and cheese, that's it. Here, let's get your opinion.
This is without egg.
No
That's
egg.
just the difference.
Yeah,
The
that's
egg.
it.
Yeah, it's good.
Does it taste like the burger I made you?
Yeah. I was about to say that. The patty tastes the same.
I think the bread's pretty good too.
But I like this one without
Plain?
egg. The plain, yeah.
Nice. Filipino and American approved. All right, we're gonna enjoy it. All right, guys, we're at the Lola Apo ni Lola Durian. I don't know, extravaganza. It's like a great place to get everything made from durian. I guess it's like a family that has a durian farm trying to fit through. Durian piaya? Mangosteen piaya. I like mangosteen. Baby, they have mangosteen piaya
Oh,
and langka piaya. That sounds good.
you want to buy this?
Maybe. Depends on how much it is.
Just ask.
Durian coffee.
It's 115. 115.
115.
Busog lang na siya, ma'am, ha? May bagong luto. Then, direct from the freshly baked na siya.
This is freshly made.
Okay.
So when you eat this, it's very, ano pa, pumuk. It's the pumuk.
Homo.
Very soft.
Soft. Okay. Do you want to get a basket and we'll get some stuff? That cheats. Wow, it's very busy too. And then we're near the DGT market, so we'll go there next. I think just the mangosteen?
Only the mangosteen.
Yeah. And then there's like mangosteen bars.
You also want that?
I don't know. Let's look. Let's look around. Maybe we'll find other stuff. Durian, what's the otap?
Yellow mangosteen. Frozen durian.
Ah, fresh frozen durian. Vacuum sealed. That's just smart. Durian coffee. Yema. I don't know why we came here. I don't like durian very much, so.
Langka and mangosteen.
Ah, Langka Opia. What's the green one? Durian, Langka. So that must be what they grow on the farm is durian, mangosteen. Ube yema, mango yema. Durian coffee. If you wanted two things that smell very strongly in the same bag, now you can get them here. Different durian coffee blends. Okay, we're gonna look a little bit more and we'll be back. See, it's a whole family that's been making these for almost 100 years.
1965.
Yeah, born in 1894. Okay. And now her family owns a like a franchise, a very nice pasalubong. Ube pie. Let's see. Oh yeah. It's almost 1 kilo. Yeah. Blanco mango pie.
Ah, may coffee tayo, ma'am. Coffee.
With durian. Sige lang, di ba mag-kisya ka nag-durian?
Pwede ako bilay durian.
Check lang na mo dira ako. Thank you. You wanna try their coffee?
Is it free taste?
No.
Yeah, it's 115. Here's a